Hello guys, good morning. In the last class we have seen a few triggers, and today in the today class also we will see um a few more triggers. Yeah, the first trigger today is three objects. That is, whenever account is created, create contact and opportunity. File new Apex trigger name is Apex trigger 11 on account. Why on account? The first action is on account. So the next action is on contact and opportunity. So the first action is on account and it should be after insertion of the account. I want to create contact as well as opportunity. Okay. So for this I need two lists. One is list of contact con list equal to new list of contact. I'll copy this one. Opportunity. OPP list. Now I'll go for loop. For each account A in trigger dot new. So I will create one more set here, guys. Set of ID. Set IDs equal to new set of IDs. Control C, Control V. Dot add of A dot ID. I'm adding account IDs to the set. Okay. Oh, none. I think this step is not necessary because even after adding this, we need to query and we need to create. You don't need this one directly. You can remove this one, and you don't need this set as well. Now I will create or I will create an instance for the contact. Contact con equal to new contact. Okay, con dot last name. Sorry, last name equal to a dot name. That's it. I think last name is only the mandatory field, right? And I am incorporating account ID as well, equal to a dot ID. That's it. Okay. And we are adding this con to the con list. CON. That's it. Same story I will do for opportunity. Opportunity OPP equal to new opportunity. OPP dot. So for OPP for opportunity creation, we need there are three mandatory fields. Okay, one is opportunity closed one, close date, stage name, and name. OPP dot name is equal to a dot name with the same account name. Otherwise, you can write something like OPP of plus opportunity of. Here also con of contact of plus yeah, and OPP dot stage name is also a mandatory field. OPP stage name, just you can write closed one OPP dot, and one more thing is close date equal to, you can write system dot today. System dot today. Okay, and add this OPP to the OPP list. OPP list dot add. Sorry, OPP. Here, if first one con list, if control V, con list dot size greater than 0, then insert con list. That's it. Similarly, if OPP list dot size greater than 0, then insert OPP list. Yeah, now let me go to Salesforce. Sales. I'm going to accounts, new account. Account name is Ashok 11. Save. Related. Why opportunity is not get created? 1 second. Dot add. Everything is fine. Yes, for opportunity we didn't give opportunities created, but not to the this account. I will definitely get one opportunity. Yeah, see, OPP of Ashok. Oh, this is not the one. All opportunities. No, I think no. So here what happened? No, I didn't mention the account ID. Before this, I mentioned OPP dot account ID equal to a dot ID. Yes, save. Now I'll go to create one more account. Ashok 11 test 2 account name. Yeah, one contact created, one opportunity got created. You guys understand? Yeah. Now I'll go to the second trigger, that is the 12th trigger. Identify duplicate email in contact while creating the lead. This is very, very important, guys. This is a very, very important concept. I will comment this one. Yeah, I commented. Yes, saved. File new Apex trigger. Identify duplicate email while creating the lead. Now we are going for lead. Okay, so object is lead. Trigger number is 12 on lead. Submit. Yeah. This is 12th one. So guys, before trigger, because it is only one trigger. For sorry, this is only one object. For each lead LE in trigger dot new. Okay, I am taking list inside the for loop. I will tell you why I am taking this one. Okay, list of contact I want, because I just need to check the email whether the email is exist in the existing contacts or not while creating the lead. While creating the before insertion of the lead, I am checking whether the email is present in the existing contact or not. Okay, if present, we need to throw a message, error message. Okay, con list equal to, here what I need, select id comma just email, select id comma email from contact where email in, where email, no, not in here, it is not reference field, where email equal to colon will come here. Okay, where equal to, where email equal to colon le dot, in this le dot email. Okay, if if any trigger, for example, one lead is getting created, that one lead will come into the trigger.new, and with the help of le instance, le dot email holds the email of the trigger, oh, sorry, email of the lead which is creating now. Okay, that will be in the le dot email. With the help of this le dot email, if any email is there in the existing contact, that is what the search here is. Okay, if con list if con list dot size greater than 0 and con list is not equal to null. Okay, this is one more condition we are added now. Okay, if con list dot size is greater than 0 and con list is not equal to null, of course obviously it will come, but we are checking once again, right? le dot add error, le dot, you can write, no problem, it is not case sensitive, guys. It is not lightning, it is Apex, it is not case sensitive. Yeah, here what you can write, email is already exists in contacts, exists in contacts. Okay, email is already exists in contacts. Save. Yeah, it is saved. Now I'll go to one, I will create one contact. Account name is Ashok, trigger 12. The email, what I'm doing here is email. Where is the email field? Oh my god, email, where is email? Thanks, subset email phone. Whether I'm creating new, oh, I'm sorry, account I'm creating. I want contact. Last name Ashok 12. Where is email? Yes, email Ashok at the rate k.com. Through.com. Save. A at the rate k.com. Now I am going to create one lead. New. Last name is Ashok 12. Company ABC Tech. Email a at the rate k.com. So, yes, see, email is already exists in context. This is the message that we have written in the developer console. So that means it is identifying the duplicate email in the contact while creating the lead. Okay. So this is, now let me go to the next trigger, the same story. Identify the duplicate email in contact while creating the lead using count. Using count. Guys, I will comment this one. Now this trigger is inactivate. Now I'll create one more trigger. This is 13. Same story. Same story. I'll copy from here. Control C. Control V. In place of this list of contact on list, I will write just integer count. I just take one variable, that is count. Select count. Select count from contact. Select count from contact where email in is equal to colon le dot email. Same story. Same here. Now it is not there. There will be one more if condition. If it is a integer, right? If count greater than 0, it is not, guys, it is not something like size, count dot size, it is not list, it is just a value. Count is greater than 0, then this message. See, earlier message is commented. Now why it is not saved? Oh, one more. Yes, saved. Email is already exists in contacts. Now I can write using count, because this is count, right? Using count, 13th one. Control C. Using count. Same story. See, email is already existing contacts using count. So this message came with the help of count. Okay. Now I'll go to the next one. Identify the duplicate email in contact while creating the lead using set. 14th. I will comment this one as well. It is getting saved. Yeah. Sorry. File, new, Apex trigger. This is 14 on lead only. Submit. 14. Yeah. Same story. Here we need to take this query out and this one as well. Okay. So this is using set. Same story. Whatever we are doing till now, same story. Set of IDs. Set ID equal to new set of ID. Set IDs dot add of le dot email. Guys, it is not ID, it is string. Set of string. Control C, Control V. Now you got the point. Earlier we store the IDs, so that's why we use ID. Now we are storing the some string email, so that's why it is set emails. I can write set emails. Okay, we need to take this out. I will take it out later. Okay, so now we are adding set IDs to the set emails to the set emails. Now we need to query list. This is the best practice, guys. Never write SOQL query inside. Earlier, this one we have written inside the for loop. Here we have written query inside the for loop. These two are not correct approaches. Now this is exactly correct approach. This is what we are doing right from the beginning. Now we are querying on contact. List of contact, con list equal to select same story ID, comma, email from contact sorry, where email equal to colon set emails, where email in, guys, this is a reference feed, so you have to write in. This is what we have to do. This is what we are doing right from the beginning. Okay, in this, here in this, it is not reference field, that, but here this is a reference field, that is set emails. Okay, same. If this con list, if this con list dot size is greater than 0, that means this error message will come. Control V, using set. Okay, save. Oh, why? Variable does not take this set IDs. Oh, fine, by mistake. This must be changed, right? Control S. Yeah, absolutely, there will be no problem. Definitely. Yes. Oh, yielded error. Variable does not exist. LE. Oh. Yeah, guys, here what we need to do, here write this for loop again, because this trigger.new can be written anywhere. That's it. That's it. Absolutely, there will be no error. Yeah. Now I'll go to save this one. Same lead creation with the same existing email ID. Yeah, email ID is already exists in contacts using set. Now, very important. Identify duplicate email in contact while creating the lead using map. Guys, this is very important point. This trigger is very important to understand the map concept clearly. I am commenting this trigger also. Now if you save the button, it will save, no problem. If you save the, now it can be saved. Oh, this record looks like an existing record. Make sure, oh, because we are multiplying the, of course, you can view duplicates, you'll get it. Okay. Yeah, see, it will get created, no problem. But when the trigger is in the active position, you will not be able to create the record. Okay. Now the last one is using map, not last one in this section. To understand the map concept, this is the best way. 15th one, lead on the same 15th trigger on lead before insertion, right? Same story, guys. Whatever we did, here we must create set of strings and add that string. Same story. Okay. Now create a map of, I want to store emails and the complete contact. So email means string comma contact. It can, now the emails are act as like ID and contact is like a value, key value pair. Map all the time stores key value pair. Okay. Map emails equal to, you can write anything. New map of, okay, this is how we need to create the map. Now we created the map. I'll query list of contact, con list equal to, same story, guys. Select ID comma email from contact. Same story. I will write otherwise. Select ID comma email from contact where email in Control C. This is reference field, right? Set emails. For I'm iterating the each contact in the con list. Okay. For each contact, see in con list. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Now I'm iterating each contact. I am adding each contact and each contact email to the map. How to add map emails? If it is a list or set, add. Here see set emails dot add. But here map dot put. There is a method called put. Here the key is email. C dot email, not general email. Okay. C dot email. Value is just C. Contact itself is the value. Okay. So now all the contacts and all the contact emails are linked to the map. This map. Okay. Now same last final step. If map, sorry, I'll copy here. Copy paste all the time, good guys here. If any mistakes are there, you'll get problem. Map emails dot. There are different methods came here. Okay. Key set. It returns all the keys set. All the keys. It returns only keys. Emails. Or that means emails will come. If this map contains keys, or if this map emails dot key set means it returns only the key values. That means emails it will return. If it is not equal to, sorry, not equal to null, if it is not equal to null, and we must take this one triggered at new, sorry, for the LE in triggered at new, you have to write LE dot add error method. Why we are taking this one, So, I'm sorry. Why we are taking this one, to write the add error method, we need the LE. LE means for each lead. For each lead, I want to display this add error method if the email has the duplicate email. Okay, same story, guys. LE dot email, Control C, Control V, using map concept. That's it, guys. Oh, there are errors. Missing 12th line. Oh, this one. Save. Oh, still expecting what was 19th line. What is there in the 19th line? I must give closing brackets. Yeah, right. So now I'll go to lead new last name Ashok trigger some 15 map. Company name is BCD Tech. Email Ashok at the rate k.com. So yeah, see, email is already existing in context using map. So that means this trigger is also working fine. Guys, here in addition to this one, you can write in another way also. In different ways you can write. That is the reason why map is so popular than set and list. This is now commented, right? Oh, not this one actually. There should be one more. Yes. So now this is not active in position, right? Now I will do one thing. If map emails, control V, map emails dot, see what we have, contains key. Okay, contains key. What is key here? So before that, here what we have written for le dot trigger dot new, here written here, right? So now I will do one thing here. I will copy this one, I will paste here. For each lead le in trigger dot new. So if map emails, that means this map emails dot contains key. What is key? Le dot email. That means if this trigger contains this one, that means that what is the meaning? For each lead in le in trigger dot new, that means this le having some email that we are entering right now. This email is there that contains key means if we give any key, if we give any value to this method, it returns the corresponding value. Actually key map contains key value pair, right? If we provide key to this method, contains key method, it will return map, it will return value. Okay, if it contains, now it contains le dot email, it returns true or false, like whether we have or not. Okay, you understand my point? So map emails dot contains key, whether this method contains this key or not. If this method, if this email is there inside this map emails, it returns true. Okay, then it will execute, otherwise it will not execute. You understand my point? Yeah. So le dot email, you understand? One second guys. Then this method should display, control C, control V. This method executes only when duplicate email is present. Why it is not getting saved? Expecting but 27. Save. For guys, listen carefully. For each lead le in the trigger dot new, that means this le holds the one email that we are entering. Okay, and with the help of map contains key method, we are checking whether this email is existing in this map or not. If email is existing in the map, then this throws an error. Okay, let us check it out. Now it will definitely throw an error because abc at a dot k dot k at a at the rate k dot com is already present. See, map is already exists in context using map. Okay, so this is one way, this is second way, and we have different another method is also there. Okay, we have another method that is same. No, I will comment this one also. I'll comment this one also. Oh, you need to remove this one. Now I'll copy. For each lead le in triggered at new. So if map emails dot get, map emails dot get le dot email is not equal to null, is not equal to null. What is mean? If map emails dot get, if we give this if you give any key, le dot email is a key, right? If you give any key to this method, it returns value, key value pair, right? This map contains key value pair. If you provide key to this get method, it returns value. If you provide any key to this contains key method, it returns true or false, guys. If you provide key to this contains key value method, contains key method, it returns true or false. If it is true, execute this one. Okay, that means duplicate daily email is present. This map emails dot get le dot email, that means we are supplying one key. If this key is present, that means if this key is there, then it returns value. If this value is not equal to null, then this will throw. Okay, definitely this time also you will get an error. See, You see, email is already exists in context using map. This line executes now because this is inactive. This is inactive, right? So this line executes now. Okay. So these are the ways in which you can make use of map. That's why map is so popular than our regular list and set. Complete trigger I am commented. Yes, saved. Okay. Now shall we discuss the remaining? Yeah. Otherwise, we'll discuss the remaining triggers in the next class. Thank you, guys.